Last night, officers responded to Trios emergency room for a 17-year-old male who had been involved in a vehicle versus pedestrian hit and run in the 800 block of South Belfair in Kennewick. It was reported at the time that the 17-year-old victim was outside his residence in his driveway playing basketball around 7:45 p.m. His mother, who was inside, heard what she thought was a loud thump and went to look for the victim, finding him eventually in the driveway of the residence. The victim was unconscious and was injured at the time. Family called 911 and Kennewick Fire Department responded with an ambulance and transported him to Trios. We have been unable to speak with the victim as he was transported to Seattle for additional care. We're asking residents in the area or members of the community to please contact us at 628-0333 if anybody knows any information or has any video from the neighborhood about who may have been in the area at the time.